afternoon, sir. Welcome to Hotel Marriott.
Good afternoon.
May I help you with your luggage?
Sure.
Please follow me and I will lead you to the front desk office.
Good afternoon, sir. Welcome to our hotel. How may I assist you today?
Good afternoon. I have a reservation under the name Torres.
Certainly, Mr. Torres. May I kindly request a valid identification card, please?
Here it is.
Thank you. Please allow me a moment to verify your reservation. I have confirmed your booking for the deluxe room for 2 nights. Is that correct?
Yes, that's
Very well, ma'am.
Very well.
May I request you to fill up this registration form?
Of course.
Thank you. And how do you want to settle your payment?
I will be paying by credit card.
Certainly. Kindly insert the card into the terminal.
Your payment has been successfully processed. Here is your key card. You have been assigned to room 305. Please be informed that the breakfast is served from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. at our restaurant. And our standard checkout is 12 noon.
Thank you very much.
Three.
It is our pleasure, sir. Should you require any assistance, please do not hesitate to call the front desk. We wish you a pleasant stay with us.
Thank you.